5th generation Chevy Camaro brought back a classic brand when it was introduced in 2010, with styling that was an homage to the past, wrapped around a thoroughly modern chassis. Now, one big change from prior Camaros was the independent rear suspension. That was good news for ride quality and for road racing, but it could be a liability once you start making big power under the hood with that LS. The solution? A Moser solid axle conversion. This lets you replace your stock IRS with a Moser 12-bolt or 9-inch style rear axle and a complete rear suspension system designed specifically for the rigors of all-out drag racing competition. Moser solid axle conversions utilize a torque arm style suspension designed to efficiently transfer power to the pavement. Just like the factory COPO Camaro, you'll have an adjustable, purpose-built drag suspension without the COPO price tag. Whether you're building a car dedicated to the NHRA stock eliminator class or simply upgrading your Camaro to eliminate traction issues or breakage at the drag strip, a Moser solid axle conversion is a cost-effective way to get you where you want to go. The axle comes with premium racing components like a new Moser 12-bolt or fabricated M9 housing, 35-spline custom alloy axles, and a matching lightweight steel spool, or for those that want a COPO for the street and car show circuit, a 35-spline wave track for unequal differential strength and performance, along with a 1350 series chrome moly pinion yoke. Gear ratios from 3.08 to 5.38 to 1 are available, and Moser offers multiple options including color powder coat finishes and dynamic drag brake kits.
I came up with these cars with a 60-inch instant center based on the 3rd and 4th gen cars that we worked on. Found that that was a pretty good point there, and just moved that into the new car knowing that the wheelbase was about the same, engine location was pretty far out in the car, figured it probably would like that a lot. So we ended up with about a 60-inch instant center. The instant center is determined in these cars by the location of the upper and lower control arm mounting points on the rear end housing and the chassis of the car. Since we're using a torque arm, acts more like a ladder bar, it's basically the pivot point of the torque arm, which is 60 inches out.
Because the conversion kit completely replaces the rear suspension, some welding and fabrication experience is required for installation. Moser provides all the required hardware, but you'll need to source a custom drive shaft, which is easily available from local driveline shops. Critical components like the torque arm, lower control arms, panhard bar, and track locator are made from high-strength, lightweight chrome moly steel, and the entire system is designed and manufactured for reliable service and competition. Now, whatever options you choose, a Moser solid rear end conversion for your 5th gen Camaro is going to give you harder launches at the drag strip, better elapsed times, and no more independent rear end woes. To get more information, visit the experts at moserengineering.com or give them a call at 260-726-6689.